Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? Today we are creating this look. This is a nice orangey red summer look. Of course, my outfit's not very summer, but I thought it was cute anyway, so I'm wearing it. We of course are trying out this palette and playing with these colors, and I have never ever used this palette, so this will also be a first impressions. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. Alright, to start off this look, we are going to prime, and we are going to use the JOA Blur Activated Mineral Primer for the face. And for eye primer, we are going to use Viseart Professional Makeup here. I mean, I guess that's what it says underneath, but that is what we're using for the eye primer. Okay, so next I am using my Private Society concealer and contour stick. For foundation, we are using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Next, we are moving on to eyebrows, and we are using the Brow Bar by Rina. This is what it looks like. I am starting off with a pencil, and then I'm going to fill it in with these two shades right here. Now we are moving on to eyeshadow, and I am going to use this palette right here. This is Iconic London, excuse my fingerprints. This is the palette Sunset to Sunrise, which is right here on the back. And this is the inside of the palette. Really pretty. So the very first color I am going to use is this one right here called Summer Loving. So I am going to go right into this color right here called Tequila Sunrise. Yep, that's the one. So I'm going to go right into this color right here called Summer Glow. Okay, so I'm going to use probably this one right here, Heat Wave. I really don't have a method to what I'm doing. I'm just kind of throwing it on and hoping that I actually come out with something. Okay, so now I'm going to use this color right here called Coral Reef. Okay, so now I'm going to go under the eyes. I'm going to go back with this Coral Reef on the bottom half towards the in part of the eye, and then I'm going to use Heat Wave still on the bottom half but on the outer part of the eye. Okay, so now I am moving into eyeliner, and I am going to use Marc Jacobs in the waterline. Alright, for top liner I am using Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. For mascara, we are using Milk Cosmetics, what is this? Kush Waterproof Mascara. That is what we are using right here. Okay, so now we are moving on to highlight. We're going to use two cream highlighters. We're going to use Steve Laurent right here. This is a jelly one. This is clearly something I really love and use a lot because I've actually hit pan, and I don't hit pan very often in a lot of things because I have so much. And then I am going to go over just like the part of my cheeks right here and my Cupid's bow there with this one right here. This is Golden Dew from Dominique Cosmetics, and this one you can't see in the package, so there you go. Very sheer. For blush, I am using another cream. This is Hank and Henry right here, and this is a very orange color. It's called Tang Tang. You can see it's very orange. Alright, I'm going to do a very light dusting of setting powder. This is Get Set Face Powder from Private Society. Okay, so we are going to do setting spray. We are using ColourPop Pretty Fresh and Urban Decay All Nighter. And then last but not least, we are putting a gloss color on. This is Bella Argent. I don't remember the name, but it is red, and that is what we're using. So I didn't really like the way that color looked with it, so I'm going to use MAC instead. This is in the shade Frost. I'll show you that color. It's very nice orangey red color. Alright, so this is my finished look. And we're going to go ahead and talk about the palette a little bit because I'm sure that is what you're here for. So this palette has been all over the place, so I'm sure there's really not much I can say about it that you probably have not heard on another video. So I'm just not going to say too much. Did it blend well? Absolutely. Are the colors pretty? Yes, they are. You can see there wasn't any fallout going on here, kick up or anything like that. The color story itself is really pretty and a perfect palette for the summer. I mean, really the colors would work for fall too, but summer is coming up and this is just really pretty. So anyways, that is all I got to say. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.